Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 6, 2025, and we're diving into PTC's fourth fiscal quarter and full fiscal year 2025 results. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. PTC has reported some impressive numbers this quarter, and I'm excited to break them down with you.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. PTC reported a net revenue of $894 million for Q4, which is a 43% increase year over year. John, can you shed some light on this impressive growth?
Absolutely. The significant revenue increase is primarily driven by strong performance in their recurring revenue streams, which include subscription software and support contracts. This growth is also reflected in their operating margin, which expanded by 1,750 basis points to 49%.
And what about their earnings per share?
PTC's non-GAAP EPS for the quarter was $3.47, a remarkable 126% increase from the previous year. This surge is attributed to their strategic focus on high-margin products and operational efficiencies.
Strategic initiatives and divestitures. PTC has made some strategic moves recently, including the divestiture of Kepware and ThingWorx. How does this align with their overall strategy?
The divestiture is a strategic decision to sharpen their focus on core areas like CAD, PLM, ALM, and SLM, which are central to their Intelligent Product Lifecycle vision. This move is expected to streamline their operations and enhance profitability.
And I see they are planning a significant share repurchase. Can you elaborate on that?
Yes, PTC has increased their share repurchase authorization to $2 billion, with $200 million expected in Q1 26. This reflects their confidence in the company's financial health and commitment to returning value to shareholders.
Cash flow and financial flexibility. PTC has reported record operating and free cash flow for FY25. What does this mean for their financial flexibility moving forward?
PTC's operating cash flow increased by 16% to $868 million, and free cash flow also grew by 16% to $857 million. This robust cash flow provides them with significant financial flexibility to invest in growth initiatives and return capital to shareholders.
And looking ahead, what are their cash flow projections for FY26?
For FY26, PTC is projecting operating cash flow of approximately $1.03 billion and free cash flow of around $1 billion. This guidance underscores their strong cash generation capabilities and strategic focus on sustainable growth.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of $1.90 for PTC based on a survey of 6 analysts. How did the actual results compare?
PTC significantly outperformed expectations with an adjusted EPS of $3.47 for the quarter. This is a substantial beat, highlighting their strong operational execution and strategic focus on high-margin areas.
What does this mean for investor sentiment?
This EPS beat is likely to boost investor confidence as it demonstrates PTC's ability to exceed market expectations and deliver strong financial performance.
Future outlook and guidance. Looking ahead, what is PTC's guidance for FY26 and what are their strategic priorities?
PTC is guiding for ARR growth of 7% to 9% in constant currency terms. They are also focusing on AI-driven and verticalized growth, which aligns with their long-term vision of delivering intelligent product lifecycle solutions.
And how does their financial guidance reflect this strategy?
Their guidance for operating cash flow of approximately $1.03 billion indicates a strong financial position to support these strategic initiatives. This positions PTC well for continued innovation and capital returns.
Key takeaways. In summary, PTC has delivered a strong performance in Q4 and FY25 with impressive revenue growth, EPS outperformance, and robust cash flow. John, any final thoughts on PTC's investment prospects?
PTC's strategic focus and financial strength make it an attractive investment. Their ability to execute on their vision and deliver strong results bodes well for future growth.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on PTC's performance in the comments below.